Hi friends, welcome to G Prashant YouTube channel. Good morning everyone. Have a nice day. Today we are going to discuss about some more important conceptual problems on percentage. So 1 by 9 equals to dash percentage, isn't it? So converting this 1 by 9 into percentage, that means see 1 by 9 multiplying with 100. This gives 100 by 9, but in the option 100 by 9 is also there. Put a percentage symbol. So but this is not a right answer. Check. So 9 in 9 table, so 100, isn't it? So 9 ones are 9, 9 ones are 9 means 9 11s are 99. Do the subtraction. So 100 minus 9 means what? 1. So this is remainder, this is coefficient, this is divisor. Write in a mixed fraction, that means coefficient remainder by divisor, like this. So coefficient means what? 11. Remainder means what? 1 by divisor means what? 9. So 11 1 by 9% is the right answer of the given question. That means option number 3 is the right answer of the given question. Now move to next question. See here, 0.625 equals to dash percentage. So 0.625 into 100%, multiplying this. So this decimal point moves in forward direction and digits moves in opposite of decimal moving, means reverse direction, isn't it? So how many zeros are there? 2 zeros. So the decimal point moves in forward direction 2 digits. That means this gives the 62.5% is the right answer of the given questions. Means the decimal point moves in forward direction 2 digits. Why? Because of there are 2 zeros are there, multiplying these two. If you have any doubt, then go through the multiplication. So 6 to 5 multiply 100. So I am multiplying with hundreds place digits, so that's why I am putting 2 zeros. But 1 5 are 5, 1 2 are 2, 1 6 are 6. So see here, decimal point. So after a decimal point, how many digits are there? 3. 1 2 3. Now count from right to left. 1 2 3. So put a decimal point there. So what is the answer we got? 62.500%. That means 62.5% is the answer of the given question, isn't it? That means option number 3 is the right answer of the given question. Are you understood? Clear about this concept? Now move to next question. See, 18 3 by 4 convert into some percent. So there is a mixed fraction is given. So 18 plus 3 by 4 into 100%. Now these two multiplication, 18 into 100% plus, in between there is a plus symbol. Next 3 by 4 into 100%, isn't it? Now 18 multiply with 100, it gives how much? 1800. Here 4 ones are 4, this becomes 4 twos are 8, means how much is left? 2. So 2 0 is there. 4 5s are 20. That means what remains here? 3 into 25. 25 2 is a 50, 25 3 is a 75, isn't it? See here, 3 5 is a 15, 5, 1 is there, 3 2 is a 6, 6 plus 1 means 7. Now add these two, we'll get the right answer 7, 5, 8, 1. So 1875 is the right answer of the given question. That means option number 2 is the right answer of the given question. Now move to next question. See, 175% equals to, nothing is there. Now 175, remove the percentage symbol, divide is with 100, isn't it? Now how many zeros are there? 2 zeros. So decimal point moves in reverse direction, that means right to left. How many digits? 2 digits. Means 2 digits are moves in forward direction, isn't it? From left to right. So this becomes 1.75 is the right answer of the given question. That means option number 3 is the right answer of the given question. Now move to next question. 35% of a rupee. See here, 1 rupee is equals to 100 paise, isn't it? 100 paise. So 35%, isn't it? 35% of a rupee. So 35% of a rupee. Half means into 1 rupee, isn't it? So now convert this 35, I am writing 3 into 10% plus 5%, isn't it? Now this becomes in a shortcut method, 3 into 10% means this becomes 0.1 plus 5 means half of 10%. Half of 10% means 0.05. Now multiply this into this. 3 into 1 after a decimal point. 3 1s are 3. Put a decimal point same position. 3 into 0 0.3 plus what remains 0.05. Add these two. So see here, by adding these I am putting a 0 here. So 0 plus 5 means 5. Next 3 plus 0 3. Put a decimal point. Yes, before a decimal point 0 plus 0 0. So it is in what? Rupees. But this can be convert. How much we get? 35 paise. Conversion into paise, 35 paise. That means option number 3 is the right answer of the given question. If you like this video, please share and subscribe it. Click on bell icon for regular updates. I did any mistake in this video, please apologize me. Thank you very much. Thank you one and all who are supporting to me.